A home from a box? It might sound like a strange concept at first, but welcome to the new trend of container homes. These innovative structures are taking the housing market by storm. Have you ever thought about living in a home made from a shipping container? It's a fascinating idea that is becoming more and more popular. It might sound unusual, but container homes are becoming a popular trend. People are embracing this new way of living. People are searching for eco-friendly and affordable housing options. Container homes offer a sustainable and cost-effective solution. Container homes are a unique and stylish solution that is catching everyone's attention. They combine modern design with practicality. Let's explore why these homes are creating such a buzz. What makes them so special and appealing? These aren't just ordinary metal boxes. They are much more than that. They are transformed into beautiful and comfortable living spaces. The transformation process is truly remarkable. From cozy tiny homes to spacious multi-level houses, the possibilities are endless. Each design is unique and tailored to individual needs. Get ready to be amazed by the versatility and creativity of container home living. It's a new way of thinking about housing. Please subscribe and click on the link below. Strong and ready to build. These containers are the backbone of global trade, but they have found a new purpose. Container homes are exactly what they sound like. Homes made from those big metal shipping containers you see on ships and trucks. They are repurposed to create innovative living spaces. These containers are designed to be incredibly strong and durable. Their robust construction makes them ideal for building homes. They are made of steel, which can withstand tough weather conditions and even earthquakes. This makes them a safe and reliable option for housing. Building with containers is like using giant building blocks. The modular nature allows for creative and flexible designs. The containers arrive at the building site already built. This prefabrication reduces construction time significantly. This means construction is quicker and more efficient. It also reduces labor costs and minimizes waste. They can be stacked and arranged in different ways to create unique designs. The possibilities are endless, limited only by imagination. Think of them as giant Lego bricks for grown-ups. With a bit of creativity, these containers can be transformed into stunning homes. One of the best things about container homes is that they are good for the environment. Instead of using brand new materials, we're giving these containers a second life. Recycling shipping containers reduces waste and helps conserve resources. Building with containers also means less energy is needed for construction. This helps lower the carbon footprint of your home. Container homes can be made even more eco-friendly with solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and other sustainable features. Section 4. Saving money with container homes. Budget-friendly building. Building a traditional home can be very expensive. Container homes offer a more affordable alternative. The cost of a container home is often lower than building a traditional home of the same size. Using recycled containers means you're saving money on materials. The faster construction time also saves on labor costs. Container homes are a great option for those looking for a stylish and sustainable home without breaking the bank. Section 5. Strong and safe container homes built to last. Remember, these containers were built to travel across oceans. They are super strong and can withstand harsh weather conditions. The steel structure is resistant to fire, termites, and even hurricanes. Talk about peace of mind. While container homes are very durable, it's important to work with experienced builders and engineers. They can ensure your home is built to meet building codes and safety standards. With proper insulation and ventilation, container homes can be comfortable in any climate. Section 6. Container homes around the world. From homes to hotels. People all around the world are discovering the numerous benefits of container homes. These homes are not only cost-effective, but also environmentally friendly, making them an attractive option for many. From cozy cottages to modern masterpieces, container homes come in all shapes and sizes. They can be customized to fit any aesthetic, whether you prefer a rustic charm or a sleek, contemporary look. They are being used as family homes, vacation rentals, and even hotels. The versatility of container homes is truly remarkable, allowing them to serve various purposes and meet different needs. One inspiring example is the Starbucks Reclamation Drive-Thru in Seattle. This innovative project has garnered attention for its unique use of shipping containers. It's a beautiful and sustainable coffee shop built entirely from recycled shipping containers. This not only reduces waste but also showcases the potential of repurposing materials. This project shows how containers can be used in creative and innovative ways. Architects and designers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what can be achieved with these structures. Container homes are a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to live more sustainably. They offer a practical solution to housing shortages while promoting eco-friendly living. They are proof that you don't need traditional materials to create beautiful and functional homes. The interiors can be just as luxurious and comfortable as any conventional home. I'm so excited to see how this trend continues to grow and inspire others to embrace creative and eco-friendly living. The future of housing is evolving, and container homes are at the forefront of this exciting change.